How to turn on or turn off add your devices automatically to SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we go down and tap on connected devices. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on SmartThings. Next, tap on the menu button, then tap on the settings icon. And from here, we scroll down and then tap on add your devices automatically. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. You can tap on the left hand side panel to view more information. So here's so you can automatically add devices, purchase or register through your Samsung account to SmartThings when they are near your phone. After adding devices, you will get notifications that confirm that they have been registered. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.